This is a set of dice flashcards. Now, this is something that teachers use to help kids learn math. So my daughter is 6 and she's starting to get into that, so I made up a set so I can help her along through that process. So as you can see here, we have a bunch of different colored dice, and you'll notice that all the 5s are green, for example, right? And all the 2s are going to be red. That's intentional because the color association to the number helps kids through that cognitive process. So I thought we could try something out here, and I actually quizzed my daughter as well, so we'll get back to that in a little bit, but we'll start by giving the cards just a little bit of a mix here. Alright, because I thought we could try a little experiment with these. Perfect. So if you were here, I'd have you cut the pack anywhere you like. So let's say you choose to cut right here. Again, complete free choice. You can even cut again if you want to change your mind. But let's see where you cut to right here. So we have a red, green, and a blue die. So I'm going to hand each of you your own little packet of dice right here. That's going to be your target dice that's in front of you right there. Now keep in mind, we shuffle the pack. You cut anywhere you want. You cut to 3 random dice, and as I hand these cards out to you now, they're being mixed even further. So each one of you has your own little packet in front of you right here, and I would have you just name any single digit number. Let's say you say 2. Everyone pick up their packet, move 2 cards to the bottom. 1, 2, 1, 2, and 1, 2. Now with that said, again, this was all up to you. I didn't know what dice you were going to cut to. I didn't know what number you were going to name. I didn't know how you're going to shuffle it up. So it'd be really impossible if you right here managed to match your blue die. It'd be even more impossible if you managed to match your green die right here. And finally, yes, 3 for 3, a perfect match all around. That's the trifecta. All right, that's pretty impressive. I mean, look, check this out. Had you said one number less or more, you would have had a different color dice even. Man, that's crazy. But you managed to match everything perfectly. This looks really familiar. Remember I said that I quizzed my daughter? She goes through the same process. She adds up the dice and gets a sum there. Well, the other day I was quizzing her and this looked really familiar. Because she would add up the dice. So she'd say, okay, 2 plus 5 is 7, plus 4 is 11. And then you add that up again for the matching row here. That would be 22. Well, check this out. This is kind of crazy. Because the last time that I quizzed my daughter, I asked her a question. I said, what will the sum of the dice be? And my little girl, I have to tell you, she's pretty smart. Because she also knew that the answer would be 22. Just like you got right here. And that is a crazy coincidence.